Two people are dead after an early morning crash in Bastrop County. Happened around 6:30 this morning on State Highway 95 near Jordan Lane. That's a few miles southeast of Elgin. A DPS trooper on the scene says that the white car you see in that video, it ran off the road while driving south on Highway 95. There it is. The trooper says that skid marks at the scene show that the driver overcorrected and then went into a skid, sliding into the northbound lanes. The car hit a pickup driving north on Highway 95. Both drivers died at the scene. Troopers have not yet released the names of the victims. They're still notifying family.